Hello everyone. Hope all of you are well. I am Mala ma'am. I will be teaching you EVS. Along with me, Shivani ma'am is there to teach you. Now, what do you understand by EVS? Do you know? What do you mean by EVS? EVS means environmental studies. That means our environment, our surroundings. I have already seen your creative houses, your dream house, which you have made using matchsticks. Awesome. You have done an excellent job. Parents, thank you so much for sending all the creative work by your children. Now today, I will teach you chapters 14, which Shivani ma'am already have introduced. Now in chapter 14, you have learned why we need house. Now we need house for keeping ourselves safe. Now in this situation, we are all locked down in the house. So if we don't have the house, then where do we stay? Now after house, we have come, what are the types of houses? All of you know that the types of houses are depend on different causes. First is the type of houses depends on various factors. First is climate, then occupation and the construction. These are the recaps which you have already done in the last session. Next comes the temporary house. In the temporary house, this is a picture of an hut. You have seen the hut is made of straw, mud and bamboo. Now hut is a temporary house because it can be destroyed and you can make a new one. Next come the permanent house. It is an independent house. And how many of you are staying in the independent house? Okay, fine. When the school will reopen, I'll come to know. Now this independent house is made of bricks, stones and cement. It is very strong. Very, very strong. Now today I will tell you something about the new houses. Now, see this picture. Have you seen these tall buildings? Do you know what is this building called? This is called skyscraper. And you know, I also stay in skyscraper. I stay in 12th floor. And New York is called the city of skyscraper. Next come the stilt house. Now the stilt house, if you see the picture, you can see it is 10 to 12 inch above the ground. It is mostly found in the areas where there is plenty of rain. And the example, if you go to Assam and Meghalaya, you will find out these type of houses. These houses are built above the ground so that the rain cannot come inside the house. The water which is flooded, in times of flood also, it will not come inside the house. The people who are staying in the stilt house are safe. Now, this is a very known picture. Yes, very true. This is a picture of an igloo. It is a house which is made of snow. And you can see the Eskimos, and it is found in a very cold places like Greenland and Alaska. You will find this in this place where there is the temperature is very cold, and there you can see the animals, polar bear also. Now I will come to the next one. Now see this house. This house is called floating house. Floating house, which is also known as houseboat. Floating house is normally found in Srinagar, and the house inside the houseboat are same as your house. It is the house where you will find the rooms. You can see the playhouse also. You can see your playroom also, and washroom, kitchen, everything is inside the house. But it is a floating house. Next come the house on wheel. Now this is a temporary house. This house can move from one place to another. And same here, inside the house, there you will find all the rooms are there. One room, one kitchen, everything. So it is quite a fun to have living in a house on wheel. Now, have you seen this house? These houses are normally found in the forest. This is called tree house or machan. Now, what happened in the forest, there are ferocious animals. Now the animals, the people who are living in the tree house are safe, and they protect themselves from the animal. The animal cannot come inside the house since it is above the tree, and it is very nice to see tree house, but I have not gone inside the house. So you will tell me story if you have ever visited the tree house. Now this is called a tent house. This is called a tent house, and you can see the tent house. It is a temporary house, and the cloth what is used here is a fiber. It is made of a canvas. And the tent house, when the people are moving from one place to another, the people who are going outside their house, sometimes they keep this tent house, folding tent house with them, and wherever they want, they can place the tent house. So these are the pictures you have seen. These are the pictures which is very important, and these are the types of houses. Now children, we have learned about the different types of houses. So let us recap once. So we have learned about the temporary houses. Temporary houses, hut, tent, house on wheels, and anything else? Okay. Now permanent houses, we have known about the independent house. We have known about skyscraper. We have known about the tree house and the stilt house. So here we have learned all the types of houses. Sometimes they are made of mud. Some of the houses are made of bamboos and sticks. Now it is time to play a riddle with you. Now identify me. I will describe a house and you have to tell me what type of house is this. First one. My name is Naseem. I live in Srinagar. Do you know, in my school, there is a function going on. A fun is in my school. And all the children from different parts of India have come to my school. And I can see that there is a night stay also. So, I have gone to the ground and find that there is a house, and it looks like a house which can be carried over, and it is made of the cloth. So it is a temporary house. So 3 clues I have given. 1, it is temporary house, it can be carried with you, and it can be placed anywhere you like. Can you tell me the answer? Yes, this is called the tent house. Now we are all sitting. I met all my friends. Now each and every one has come here to share their houses, the type of houses they are living. Now I have come, my name is Viraj. I have come from Assam, and in our place there are too much rain. So we have a different types of houses. They are 10 to 12 inches above the ground. And these are all made of bamboos. Now can you identify me? Yes? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is a stilt house which is made above the ground. Now Manali and Anuj have come from Mumbai, and they are showing the pictures of tall buildings. Renu is very much surprised. She's telling, oh my God, such a tall building. How you are going inside it? Are you climbing up? So they started laughing. No, dear. My friends, they are called skyscraper. In the modern cities, if you go to the metropolitan city, you will find the tall buildings. And they are, yes, who am I? They are skyscraper. And in the evening, we are very happy to have all the friends from the different corners of the country. In the evening, we all went to the Dal Lake, and we have seen their floating boat. And I can recognize it, and I can say, yes, which is the type of house I am? I am the house boat. So children, you have learned about the house, many houses, types of houses, why we want to live in the houses. We have done the riddle also, and you have done excellent job. And now I'll give one activity, very easy activity. You have to draw any 4 types of houses. It can be temporary houses, or it can be permanent houses. Any 4. And then you write down what type of houses it is and where do you find it. So children, have a nice time, be safe and be at home. I will meet you soon. Thank you so much.